So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't.
Hey gems, welcome to my channel. Today I did a vid on this 90s layered hair on a Amazon closure wig. Very affordable. If you want to see how I got to this, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to explain to you what I did to the wig before coming on camera. So I bleached my knots and I plucked the lace. That is all I did before coming onto camera. So right here, I'm just adding some foundation to my lace. I couldn't find my even tinted lace spray, which is why I'm using foundation this time. Now I'm just going straight into hot combing the hair back before installing, just because I want like all the little hairs out the way. And so I'm using the even lace spray. I'm gonna do 3 layers and blow dry each in between. So now that we are done blow drying, finally, I'm just sticking my lace right on top where I put it. And I'm gonna put an elastic band over top, just so I can really like hold it down into the glue. And I left that on for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm just going in with my Got To Be spray and going over where I did the even spray, just to get rid of any possible like white cast or anything from glue, and blow drying that. Okay, y'all gonna hate me for this goddamn mirror this whole video, but I can't see y'all. So I'm just cutting the lace off with these bomb ass shears I got from Amazon, cause I'm just lifting the lace to make sure I'm not cutting it too low, because I can re-apply glue or re-spray Got To Be if there's like any little lace bits, but I don't want too much lace on there. So I'm just doing a zigzag motion, just trying to be close, but just roughly get the lace off, because again, I can lift it if I gotta do some tweezers or something, just to really be more precise. But that's just what I'm doing right now. When you get a closure, there's little parts on the end where they're sewn, and sometimes they're a little prominent, so sometimes I just cut the little ends off. Probably not a good idea, but I do it. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Now I'm just taking alcohol and cleaning any excess spray off. Here I go with the fuck shit and this damn mirror.
Oh my god, here they go with the fuck shit. Here you go with the fuck shit.
I'm sorry y'all, I told y'all I can't see. But I just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse of the setup, you know, see the little tripod, see the camera, Now I'm going to blow dry that Got To Be that I was spraying. You couldn't see that's what I was doing, but that's what I was doing. Just trying to get, again, any possible white cast off. Now it's time to part. I'm horrible at parting. I'm gonna just be honest. Sometimes we gotta be honest with ourselves, and I'm just not that girl when it comes to parting. But I'm trying to become that girl, 2022. So I'm just going over it with my hot comb, parting, hot comb, parting, hot comb. That was just my technique because I wanted it to be flat and then I could part it and really see. And that's just what I'm doing, back and forth, parting, hot comb. So if that's my technique, y'all. Then I'm spraying some Got2b because I didn't have no wax stick. Please, y'all should be used to this by now. And just laying it down, trying to get the flyaways out the way so I can keep trying to perfect my part. Again, showing y'all my setup in my Hello Kitty mirror because it's cute as hell. So I'm using my mama's flat iron because I'm a stay-at-home daughter, pure. And I'm just doing a rough flat iron before I cut the layers just because I want to see the vibes of the hair. Like, I want to see the ends, because at the end you'll hear me say that I wasn't feeling the ends, so I already knew that they were going to get cut off some. Just wanted to see it straight. Now we're going into baby hairs. Say a prayer. Yeah, have mercy. I'm blind doing baby hairs. I'll be doing my best. Still trying to perfect a method that I like. Going in with my hot comb just to get it straight down. And I'm going to pluck some hair. We plucking. Because plucking your frontal and baby hair plucking, very different. So I always go back in and pluck my baby hairs. So my technique this time was just, I don't cut straight across because absolutely not. I was using this hair razor. She was dull, so I was kind of have to going back and forth between that and scissors. Now I'm taking this tiny ass flat iron that is, again, my mama's, and I'm just curling it up because that's what the girls be doing, and going in with my edge booster. Yeah. Oh no, my Sweetie Edge Fixer. That's what I'm using. And a toothbrush because culture. Now we're going in with my Amazon shears again, like I told y'all. 8. And I'm just doing the layers. I've never done this before. I was just going off of a picture, like mini pictures, because, you know, the black girl's been killing this style. And I was just going in, and I knew I wanted my layers to start pretty close to like under my chin. Yeah, I wanted them to start higher up. So I was trying to, you can kind of see me making sure that it falls in a way I like. Just turning my head, and that's all I was doing. Like, I'm not nobody's hairstylist. I didn't go to cosmetology school, clearly. So I'm just going in, just cutting these layers, fighting for my life, you know. But it came out cute in the end, if I say so myself. So just watch me do that. Once I started to like my layers, I decided to go in and start to, 1, straighten it, and 2, bump the ends. Okay, I guess my mom was right when I was younger. Either way, I'm bumping the damn ends to make sure I really like the layers. That's it, just going in and actually flat iron, and you see me go back with the scissors to make it even on both sides. Make sure I cut the ends off in a way that I liked, all that. Just perfecting towards the end. Again, I said I didn't have no wax stick, but I had some Oop Culture Murray's pomade. I'm pretty sure that's what I'm putting on the top of my head, and then going over it with my hot comb and a brush, so I can really push those, you know, filler pieces or flyaways. This didn't really give me filler pieces like I've had in other ones. This was just definitely like probably from plucking. Okay, I'm back. I did my makeup. Tried to make it 90s type beat. I have on this velour set. I'll try to take a picture. I'll tag it. I don't know how to say it. Okay. Now for the wig. Here's the cut. I was trying to, you know, do the whole like 90s layered vibes. This wig was from Amazon. I don't know how to pronounce it. MUOKASS 4x4 lace front wig, straight Brazilian virgin human hair, lace closure for a black woman, 150% density. Pre-plucked. I'm not gonna say it was pre-plucked. Like, it was okay, but I definitely plucked. Like, I've had a different wig that said it was pre-plucked and I plucked less. So this gave me like the regular amount, like if they told me it wasn't pre-plucked, in my opinion. This was 18 inches. I cut it because I wanted it to be like blunt when I did the layers. And it was $75, which my only thing about the 18-inch though, girl, like 2 of the inches was like very thin towards the end to me. Like, if you are okay with that look, I think you would have been okay. But like, I don't know, it was given to, like, if I really wanted to keep it bone straight all the way down, like I probably still would have cut it. Like, that's just me. I probably would have still cut it. The lace was cool, very nice. I bleached my knots. I didn't show that, but I did bleach my knots. Yeah, and it was a 4x4 closure. I think I said that. Came really fast because it's Amazon. But the hair is very soft. Like, it's very nice, very soft. The ends was thin and I wasn't feeling that. That's like my major thing that I didn't like. But honestly, the wig was $75, so like also I think this is my first time like doing a layered cut, so I think it came out good for my first time. And I like the vibes. If you want to see this beat, because I do my beat different now, but if you want to see it, I can do a video on it. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. I'll do, obviously there's gonna be a voiceover for my whole process, but yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any other wigs that you want me to try, anything in the comments, any feedback, constructive, and I love y'all. Bye.
Now, where's the wig companies? Because I know you want some promo.